Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Pretty excited here. About a week or so ago, I brought you some Fireball wings. Weber come out with a brand, about 3 different brands actually of seasonings. One was the Fireball, used them on the wings, turned out great. This week I got their Buffalo Trace whiskey inspired seasoning that I'm gonna put on a pork loin and get her on the grill. Sear it off a little bit, pull it off indirect, let her cook indirect with some smoke on it, and see how it turns out. So, full disclosure, I did use this about a week ago on some steaks, and it did come out really good. So I can't wait to taste it on this pork loin. Let's get going. Alright guys, I'm not gonna say that I'm super happy with this cut of meat, but it is what it is. I'm gonna trim a little off of here. That is, but I don't like it, and that's really about all I'm going to do to this. I wanted a little bit more fat on there than what I got, to be quite honest with you, but you know, we'll take it. Fat's flavor, right? Alright guys, like I said, this is about 4 pounds of meat. Actually, way more than what we need tonight, but I was expecting more people than what we are gonna have, so it's alright, we're gonna do this. Let's get a little Liam Perrins on there, Worcestershire sauce, or however you want to say it, just for a little binder. I did rinse this off, patted it dry really good. I think Liam Perrins makes a good little binder. Alright. Here's, let me show you that. Get a good close-up of that there. Buffalo Trace, whiskey inspired. I tell you what, it's got a lot of, it's got pretty good flavor. I'll tell you that now. So it's got some molasses, some caramels in there. I changed this up from what I was originally going to do it. Typically on these pork loins, I like to use a lot of, I'm gonna season this up pretty good because it's a pretty good chunk of meat. Typically I will use cherry wood, but since we're going with that whiskey inspired flavor, I'm gonna throw some oak on there. I don't know if I've ever used oak on pork. I might have. Get your ends. We're going pretty liberal on this. Get this flipped over, guys. When the grill comes up to temp, we're going to dump that charcoal and get this on there. Alright, we'll get some good ash over on top there. I think we're good. Put this on in here. Right on. Let's bring this on up to temp. Hey guys, I've changed my mind a little bit here. I said I was going to sear this off, and I still might. But I want to get this indirect over here and get a little smoke going. Get a little extra flavor on there. And as promised, I got a big old chunk of oak wood here. We're gonna get some oak wood smoke on this pork loin. We'll check back in about 20 minutes and see where we are. Alright guys, we've been running about 350 here for about 20 minutes, and I'm just gonna come in here and give this thing a turn just for some even cooking. I know we're not done. We're not even close to done. Still got some smoke rolling on this. And we're gonna go another 20 minutes and I'll come back and I'll check some temps and make some decisions on how we're gonna finish this, guys. Sometimes I like to get a little fire build up on this so when I close it off, it'll go back to smoking really good. I think we're there. Okay guys, we've been roughly 40 minutes here. I'm gonna get this thing flipped over. I'm actually gonna check some temps this time just to see where we are. I don't think we're there. I was actually shooting for an hour to keep Mama happy, but we'll see what happens. Got a little ways to go. We're just now at 96. We got a little ways to go. I'm gonna see if I can't go over 100 over here. Okay, thinner part. Right at 100, we got a ways to go. I'm shooting for a target temp of 140 or 137 to 140. Hopefully the carry over. I'm gonna scoot this a little closer to the fire. But target temp of about 140 or so, and we'll see where we are. Hey guys, it's only been another 10 minutes since I've moved it a little closer to the heat. I didn't want to go as long, so I wanted to get it over here and check it. I want to be really careful because this did not have the fat cap that I really wanted, so I don't want to overdo this. We got a ways to go here. 115 over here, about 107 over on the thicker part. Where we at in the middle? At 117, we're getting closer. I'm going to go another 10 minutes and see where we are. I might sear this off, I might not. We'll see where we are here in about 10 minutes. Hey folks, we're just a little over an hour into this cook. So I'm really anxious here, and I was kind of shooting for an hour, but it looks like we're going over a little bit. 122, 23, we're gonna sear this off a little bit, guys. I just kind of want to get some little crispiness on the outside of this. Yeah, 130 over here on this end. So yeah, guys, let's check this out. We're gonna go just a few minutes on each side just to see where we are, and it should finish us off. Let me just go ahead and turn this. Do the fat side next. We'll check back in just a few minutes and sear the other side there. Alright guys, it's awful hard to pick up, so I'm gonna roll it and scoot it. Oh, look at there, nice little sear. The same thing over here. Now we got a little bit of a fat cap. Still disappointed over that, but that's okay. Get this on here, we'll go a few more minutes and see where we are. Next time we'll see this, we'll be inside letting it rest, cut it up and see what it tastes like. Guys, would you look at this beautiful cut of meat? Been resting about 10-12 minutes. I can't wait any longer. I'm gonna start slicing here and see what we got. I'm not gonna go real thick on these slices. Looks delicious. Let's see what we got right there. Got a little bit of a smoke ring. Ooh, it's hot. A little bit of a smoke ring. The nice little crust build up there. I can't hardly hold it, it's so hot. Take a look at there, guys. Let me get my family fed, and we're gonna get a bite of that piece right there. All right, guys. There we are, guys. I'm gonna get it like this other end here. It's got a little piece of that crust on there. I'm seeing heads going up and down at the table, so I'm gonna assume that they like it as much as I do. That is very good. That's that buffalo trace from Weber. Come out with that. They got the buffalo trace here. They've also got the Fireball. They've also got a Southern Comfort, which I do not have. I will be buying some to try that as well. So yeah, good job, Weber. Good on the pork loin. Excellent. We got a little bit of a smoke room. Like I said, normally I would do a cherry wood on this, but once I was doing the whole bourbon thing, I kind of wanted to roll some oak out. And I'm glad I did, because it's got some great flavor there. I'm gonna take a bite off the very end, because that's where most of your flavor is gonna be. Hopefully it ain't too much. Oh yeah. That is good, guys. Guys, thank you as always. Been a couple weeks since I had a video up. I apologize for that. Just been really busy with the new job and everything. You know, crazy life, happy life. It's all good. It will calm down. So thank you as always. Guys, if you haven't already, like the video. Helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And guys, as always, you guys take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.